As CEO of Texas Sterling Construction Company, I would elect to deny the bidding for the U.S.-Mexican border. We do not believe it is ethical to build a wall that can potentially close our borders to potential Mexican immigrants. Mexicans and South Americans often have weak dollars compared to the U.S. and cannot afford to get into the U.S. by air. The only route would be through the border and the wall, in which migrant money would be needed for their citizenship. We don't see a legitimate reason for this wall to be built, and if the reason listed were to be immigration, we think legislation should help solve those issues, not a wall. However, when it comes to the Lebanese wall, we decide to bid on the project. Lebanon is a different situation altogether. Their problem is being attacked by Hezbollah from the north, or from North Hezbollah. Hezbollah is a militant political party based out of the Jihad Council. They are considered to be a terrorist group by the UN, Europe, and North America. Although the UN has ordered a ceasefire, this wall will make Lebanon and Israel safe from militant zones and hopefully thwart ground attacks from either side to honor the ceasefire. No, the wall won't help airstrikes and missile attacks, but the UN had to call a ceasefire in 2006 because of the ground war attacks, which is basically saying that there's a full-out war on the ground ruining the city, aside from the airstrikes, right? So a wall would help thwart this. That is something Texas Sterling Company can get behind, is peace and following the UN rules of war. Hopefully this wall will stop violence, and there's not much interaction economically between the two countries to begin with. So hopefully this just stops ground units and they stop airstriking each other.